Makar Sankranti or Hangrai festival is coming after a couple of days more. However, the MGN REGA wages and old age pension is not yet given from the last 2 months, which is why locals locked the Tulashikhar Block office on Friday. Before every festival like Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Gauriya Puja, Makar Sankranti, Tripura people always did not receive their wages of REGA and old age pension before any of this festival. As a result, people living in the village has to face a lot of difficulties. Even if the ministers and leader of the state are aware of this, they tend to close their eyes and ears on this matter. Tripura leaders are seen nowhere after the election is over. This is the reality of Tripura people area. But even if they are full in every election, the Tripura people are not ready to learn the lesson. Makar Sankranti is tomorrow, but people did not receive their REGA wages for the past 1 month, and even the old age pension were not given. Tripura people from the village are suffering from financial issues as they did not receive their REGA wages, which they worked for past 1 month. Locals of Khoi Tulashikhar are extremely sad with this incident. As a result, on Friday, out of anger, villagers locked the door of Tulashikhar Block office.
Berarti permen tam ni dia kata nak gin patah.
Bata mayat permen
Ini yang kena mana musuh kah? Maya khas punya sebenarnya.
Koi mas nong kan lo dia kata me patah me.
Bata mayat tu mas. Kore rega kan bidin.
Paksa suka mana?
Gunu mang bono.
Paksa yang mas ni.
Bata, Malia. Sekarang kau kacau kemalan ya tangga. Sabar kau mai kalaman, kita tak bisa naik tangga hangai. Kau ini mai ni ada orang sana ni. Sekarang mas ni mai ya bata.
Nara ko bolong ni video mama lakya.
Video kaya.
Malaysia. Video kaya. Ayo, kau sabari sabla.
Bo tami cha je malam pura.
Jauh semua dah. Cepat. Kau 이거 당장 사전 저 어려야 땅 거기가 좀 커요. 그러니까 내가 좀 해가 땅 거야. 파도랑 그래. 아버랑 가림이야. 파도랑 그렇게 해도 하잖아 봐. 그러니까 부풀어. 아버 한글에 사 우라까. 한글에 시백 빼면 하가. 따부 뭐저 버럭 좀 땀새네. 한글 땀 그게 뭐 삶이다 아기고. ऊपर महल खाई रही जान खाई ऊपर महल दारम देनो वीडियो से रमजा कमले बोलन खाई दे आं खाई आनो आं हो आं लेबर ती काम खाई जा
Nung mo bolong dai.
हा
Nung mo bolong mu damo.
आज दी तुलसी बोलो
Hambai dai.
Am sakla ni tini mai kai no ko
Jong ang khai to ko bat to ab to bat. Maka bat ta thia te ha ka ra kha bidin ka chung ab sa chung apna aphai to mani ka ngadang ai no te ka nga pe bun thane rang chok te ko thaiman 60 taka ko 30 taka thaman 30 taka. Wang ta bu ta thana ka tam ka mo ang ra tam ka thane ab syang. To bong ni rang no chung sana phya tin kon mo khaiman rang no se chung sana ni phayo. खाना खाना हांगरा लेकिन सब पुछा लपसा करे कि चुप करे जो आज को तो ये जो आज का क्या
On the other hand, police immediately rushed to the spot as soon as they got the information of the incident. But the villagers were not ready to open the lock even after speaking with the police. Reported by Biplov from Khoi, Chini Khorang.